Watch through to the end to find out exactly how much this repair cost. If you drive a 2018 or 2019 F-150 with the 2.7L EcoBoost and you're seeing oil leaks like this, you're not alone. Many owners report these telltale drips on their driveway or a faint burning oil smell. These are classic signs of a well-documented issue, but don't worry, there's a clear path to a permanent fix. You need to know about Ford's Technical Service Bulletin that could save you time and money. A TSB isn't a recall. It's an official guide for dealerships to diagnose and repair a known problem. Knowing about it is key to getting a correct fix, especially if your truck is still under its powertrain warranty. Ford released TSB 2189 specifically for 2018 and 2019 F-150S with the 2.7L EcoBoost engine, but only those built on or before May 21, 2019. You can find your truck's build date on the sticker in the driver's door jamb. This date is crucial because it marks when Ford corrected the issue on the assembly line. The problem affects the engine oil pan RTV seal. The original design used a liquid sealant which is prone to leaking at the pan seam. Over time, engine heat and vibrations cause this sealant to degrade, allowing oil to slowly seep out. Ford's fix replaces it with an updated oil pan that uses a proper press-in-place gasket. This mechanical seal is far more reliable than the original liquid RTV, providing a permanent solution. So you've noticed oil spots on the driveway, or maybe the faint smell of burning oil. These are classic symptoms. The original composite plastic pans are known to warp from engine heat cycles, causing the seal to fail. When you go to the dealer, they will confirm your build date and engine, then replace the pan if a leak is confirmed. But here's the catch. This is a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB, not a recall. This means the repair is typically only covered if your truck is still under its powertrain warranty. A recall is a mandatory safety fix for everyone, but a TSB is a repair guide for a known issue. If you're out of warranty, you may have to pay, but some owners have had luck getting Ford to cover it as a goodwill gesture. To strengthen your case, bring TSB 2189 and NHTSA ID 10164468 when you visit your dealer. This shows you've done your research and points them directly to the official Ford procedure, preventing any runaround. Important warning. If you have a 2015, 2016, or 2017 F-150 with the 2.7L EcoBoost, don't use this newer pan design. Ford has separate bulletins for those years because the parts are different. Using the wrong one will result in an improper fit, won't fix the leak, and could even make things worse. Ignoring this leak isn't an option. It can lead to dangerously low oil levels and catastrophic engine failure, a far costlier problem. Know your VIN, know your options, and talk to your dealer with the right information. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tips, and comment below if you've dealt with this oil pan issue. Depending on your warranty status, this repair can cost anywhere from $0 under warranty to around $600, $1,200 out of pocket at a dealership. Always check with your dealer for the latest pricing.